Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to accelerate in a car smoothly and safely. Accelerating smoothly and safely is one of the key factors to driving a car properly and effectively. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. Now let's get right to it. I'm going to be covering how to do this in an automatic car, okay? If you're driving a manual car, you're going to have to take the instructions and just alter them slightly to include the gas clutch balance. Now let's get right to it. First and foremost, when you look down at the floor, you're going to have two pedals. One is the brake pedal, one is the gas pedal. When you push the brake pedal, it's there to slow the car down and bring it to a stop. When you push the gas pedal, you're going to hear the engine rev as long as the gear shifter is in park, like it is right now. And the goal of the accelerator pedal or the gas pedal is to make the car move forward or backward, to make those wheels turn, to get power to the wheels. Now let's get right into it. When you first get your license, when you're first learning how to drive, when you first start taking driving lessons, there's a good chance that your acceleration is going to sort of look something like this. I'm going to put my seatbelt on, put the car in drive. It's probably going to look something like this. Just really rough acceleration, okay? And even more so, really rough braking. Now, the key to smooth and safe acceleration is that you want to do it gradually. Now, your accelerator pedal has a range of motion. Let's say when you're not pushing it at all, it's right here. When you're pushing it fully, it's all the way down here, okay? When you're flooring it, it's all the way down here. What you want to do is you want to gradually work the accelerator pedal down and then stop pressing it when it gets to the acceleration level that you want. Because if I take the accelerator pedal and I just hold it like this, the car is still going to continue going faster at this level of acceleration. If I continue pressing it, the car will once again continue going faster, but I'm going to accelerate even more. Okay, I'm going to get more horsepower and more torque from that engine, which you don't want. If you want everything to be smooth and safe, you want to get sort of the ideal acceleration, which does not involve continually pushing the pedal. So for example, this is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing it with my hand. Then I'm going to actually demonstrate it right here in this parking lot with very little traffic. There's no one driving around right here for the most part. So I have the accelerator pedal. I'm not pressing it. I'm going to put the car in drive and I'm just going to ease into it and hold it there when I've pressed it down just a little bit. So I'm not going to I don't even want a good amount of acceleration. I just want a little bit of acceleration. And this is the first step to accelerating safely and smoothly. You want to press the accelerator pedal, ease into it, and just stop when you have a little bit of acceleration. So let's put the car in drive. And I'm going to just use that example to go and make my way out of this parking lot, okay? So I'm going to release the brake pedal, and I'll show you roughly how much I'm pushing the accelerator pedal down. I've released the brake pedal, pushing it down, holding it right here. I'm barely pushing it, but I'm holding it. I've only pressed it down about this much. This is the level of acceleration that I want, okay? And I'm holding it there, and as you can see, I'm sort of maintaining this speed. That's the first step. That's the first step to doing this. You want to just, for practicing purposes, you want to ease into pressing the accelerator pedal and then just press it just a little bit and hold it there. Now I'm going to come to a complete stop. I'm going to turn right and then we'll continue once again with the next part. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to let this car go. I'm going to ease into it a little bit more. So I'm not pressing down the accelerator pedal at all. What I'm going to do once I see that there's no traffic, because I don't want to obstruct any traffic, so we should be good to go right about now. Check my mirrors, check my blind spots. We're good to go. All right, pressing it a little bit more. So now I've pressed it. That was an over-exaggeration with my hand. I've pressed it in about this much now, okay? And now I'm going to release it because I have to slow down because of the car in front of me. I'm going to pull over. We'll demonstrate it one more time because that one wasn't the best demonstration. All right, because there was cars and so forth. Now there's no cars on the road. I'm not pressing it at all. I have my foot on the brake, releasing the brake pedal. Then I'm pressing it right about there. I'm at this level of acceleration. I'm currently going about 30 kilometers an hour, 40 kilometers an hour. And now I'm going to ease off because I don't want to go any faster than this, especially because of these speed bumps over here. So I'm easing off a little bit. So as you can see, the key to accelerating smoothly and safely is basically easing into the accelerator pedal and holding it when you get the acceleration that you want, okay? The goal is not to continue pressing it more and more and more and more, because with the car, you're going to keep getting more and more acceleration until the point where you're flooring the accelerator pedal. And that's not how you accelerate smoothly and safely by far. It's not flooring it, at least for the most part. So I'm just going to pull over here to explain the rest of the video. So the two factors that I wanted to explain in this video are accelerating smoothly and safely. To accelerate smoothly, you have to ease into the accelerator pedal. So you want to ease into it and just hold it when you find that sweet spot of acceleration that you want. Now, part of accelerating safely is obviously making sure that you've done your safety checks, making sure that you're using your signal, you've checked your mirrors, you've checked your blind spots, there's no traffic, there's no pedestrians, and so forth. But it's also, it goes hand in hand with accelerating smoothly. The smoother you can accelerate, the safer that you'll be. And I'll tell you why. Let's say I was putting the car in drive and I wasn't going to accelerate smoothly. Once again, we're going to do our checks. Let's say I was going to accelerate in a very rough manner, something like this. Whoa. So the tires actually spun a little bit there. That's not the right way to accelerate safely. And the reason that it wasn't safe is because I pressed the accelerator pedal too fast, too quickly. Now, on the other hand, if I didn't touch the accelerator pedal, let's say I did, like I literally was just barely even touching it because I was afraid to push it, it would look something like this. I wouldn't move fast enough. I would obstruct traffic. So to accelerate safely, you want to find that sweet acceleration spot, which is between too little and too much. You want it to be smooth, and you get that by easing into it and holding it there. And you want to find that sweet spot to just get a nice, smooth acceleration. And that's basically it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below. As a comment, what are some other tips for accelerating smoothly and safely? Let me know as a comment down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.